Hi everyone, something really awesome just arrived from the Shutterbug in Portland, Oregon, and that is the Manfrotto Xpro Monopod Plus video kit. And this is really awesome. I actually got this to use with my Nikon 800mm PF lens. This is sort of going to be like a walking around video kit, so I can have some stabilization, something to rest the camera on, because it's a really, with the 800mm lens, the Nikon Z9 is really quite heavy, and I think this will be the perfect solution to make that a little bit more usable, especially for getting video. I'm also going to use it for capturing video when I'm going out and filming endangered legacy forests. I'll be able to get some nice motion in my shots more easily using this. And we're going to open it up. This end. And here we go. Wow. Well, that feels really solid. Got a great big tripod head, and this is the foot of it. It's got kind of a tripod shape on the foot of the monopod. Really heavy, really sturdy feeling. Really feels like it'll support my camera well. And we have this. Looks like all the parts for it. And I guess, well, we'll take a look at this first. Let's see here. Okay, so you pull on these things to release that, the legs, then they lock into place and you can push them back up like that. They lock pretty solid. The legs feel very solid. That's good. Like that. And then stands on its own like that, and you can pull up on this and it'll tilt from side to side. Nice smooth motion. And of course it extends. Each section goes up like that. Wow. That's gonna be quite tall enough. That's really good. Those feel really solid, very sturdy locks, very smooth motion to extend it in and out, but then it locks down super tight and easy. I really like that. The grip feels very nice, very solid, and has a lot of grip, a lot of friction. And it has a hand loop here, so you can carry it and like that. Now let's attach the pieces to the head here. It's a fluid head made for video work. Should be really nice. We have the manual here, of course. It's like mostly safety warnings. Oh, that's not the manual. That's just this looks like the manual, instruction manual. Yep. Oh, that's more like it. It shows how everything works. This, I guess this is for if you remove, oh, okay, so this is like probably a base for the monopod. If you want to remove this this three-pronged foot, you can just put this on instead. I'm pretty sure that's what that is anyway. In fact, yeah, it shows it in the instruction, that is what it is. Instructions for the head up here, and then we just need to attach this, which that's pretty self-explanatory. You got it right here. Of course, you can go on whichever side you want. This has got another bracket over here. Oh, this is really nice. And you can adjust it to be whatever angle you want here. So, wow, that feels quite... Wow. I'm going to get some really good use out of this. This was exactly what I needed. Man. that guy there. And let's see. Oh, it's got just a lever there. So a nice locking tripod plate. This is, and I really wanted a longer one like this. I may eventually get a foot for the 800mm PF, so that I no longer have to put on like actual plates. I might get it like a compatible foot with this. So we'll see about that. But anyway, the instruction should be pretty straightforward for this. It's telling us, oh yeah, it's right here. So look, I got all kind of adapters there for various different things. And this, basically like a Lego piece looks like. That pops in there. And that way you can really lock your camera in. And I really like having that, especially for this, since these tend to, just having a 1/4 inch screw tends to come loose, and having both that and this on the lens should keep it really locked in very nicely. So I really appreciate that. And that's it. So in my initial first impressions here, of course we'll go on to explain this, like this is how you unlock that, and then you can screw that down. The thing won't move at all. That works very well. And it's fairly straightforward. I would say that my first impressions are really good. I like how this tripod is built. I really appreciate the many features on it. I would say my first impressions of the Manfrotto Xpro Monopod Plus video kit are very high. I really like how this thing is constructed. It feels really solidly built. It's fairly weighty, but you need something that's got some weight to it to be able to support big lenses and big cameras, and this is designed to do just that. All the mechanisms seem really straightforward and seem to operate very smoothly, very efficiently, and seem to be pretty solid, so they should hold up to long use. And yeah, this hopefully will become a regular part of my photo and video kit, especially for wildlife photography and for filming legacy forests. And I can't wait to get this out in the field and take some pictures. Anyway, I'll post a full review of this after I've spent some time with it and really been able to get a good impression of it, more detailed thoughts on it, and make sure it works as well as I hope it's going to. And you'll definitely see this in future videos, as I either in the video itself as I'm talking about something, or just you'll see it in the results I get from the camera, because this is going to get a lot of use. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye!